Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Today we will start chapter 2 of mathematics, addition. In this chapter, first we will learn about what is addition. Addition is bringing two or more numbers or things together to make a new total. Or we can say addition means to find the total value of two or more numbers. Terms of addition. Here we have an example. 5 plus 12 is equals to 17. Here 5 and 12 are addends. What are addends? The numbers which are added are called addends. And the answer we get on adding two numbers is sum. Here 17 is sum. Steps of addition. Here we have given a question. Add 452 and 226. For adding these two numbers, we have to follow some steps. Step 1 is arrange the numbers in the columns. As you can see, here we have arranged these numbers in columns according to their place values. 2 will come at 1's place, 5 at 10's place and 4 at 100's place. Similarly, we have arranged this number also. Step 2 is add the digits at 1's place. So children, first we will start addition by adding the digits at 1's place. As you can see here, 2 and 6 are at 1's place. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. Step 3 is add the digits at 10's place. Here you can see 5 and 2 are at 10's place. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Step 4 is add the digits at 100's place. Here 4 and 2 are at 100's place. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So here the sum is 678. Addition of numbers with carry. Here we have given a question 652 plus 277. So for adding these two numbers, first we will arrange the numbers in columns. Then as we know that we always start addition from the right side. It means addition हमें हमेशा 1's place से start करना होता है. So here also we will add the digits at 1's place. So 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. Now we will add the digits at 10's place. So 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. But here this 12 is a 2-digit number. So we cannot write this. We cannot write any 2-digit number at a single place. So what we will do? We will carry over this 1 to the next place and write this 2 at the 10th place. जब भी कभी आपको एडिशन करने के बाद 2-digit नंबर मिलता है तो आपको फर्स्ट डिजिट उसका कैरी कर देना है नेक्स्ट प्लेस में और जो लास्ट वाला डिजिट है उसे आपको उसी प्लेस में नीचे लिखना है. सो वी हैव रिटन हियर 2 at 10th place and carry over 1 to the 100th place. Now add the hundreds. Now we will add the digits at hundreds place. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. But we know there is carry also. So we will add this carry also with 8. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So the sum is 929. Now let's do exercise. Arrange in columns and add. Now here we have given three numbers: 46,327, 22,812 and 5,184. Now we have to add these three numbers. What we will do? First we will arrange these numbers in columns in this way. Okay. As you can see, this 5,184 is a 4-digit number and these two numbers are 5-digit numbers. So how we will arrange these numbers in columns? So you have to keep in mind that we always start arrangement from the right side. Okay? आपको हमेशा इस केस में जब भी कभी आपके पास इस तरीका केस आता है तो आपको क्या करना है, राइट साइड से अरेंजमेंट स्टार्ट करना है। जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे किया है वैसे ही आपको यहाँ पे जो 4 है, 4 को आपको वंस डिजिट पे, वंस प्लेस पे रखना है और उसके बाद फिर 8 will come at tens place, 1 at hundreds place and 5 at thousands place. And here we have leave this place. Okay, don't start arranging the numbers from the left side. Okay, always start arranging numbers from the right side. Now add these numbers. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9 and 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. So we will write here 3 and carry over 1 to the next place. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 1 is equals to 12. So write here 2 and carry over 1 to the next place. 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. So write here 3 and carry over 1 to the next place. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13 and 13 plus 1 is 14. So write here 4 and carry over 1 to the next place. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So the sum is 74,323. Now let's discuss about properties of addition. First property is commutative property. Now according to this property, the sum of two or more numbers does not change even when the order of the addends is changed. Let's see an example. Here we have three numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 4, and we have changed the order of these numbers. It means we have written this 4 at the first position and this 2 at the last position. Now let's see the answer. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. As you can see here, the answers on both the sides is same. It means there is no change in the answer even if the order of the addends is changed. Addends का order change करने पर भी हमें answer same मिलता है addition के case में. Next property is grouping property of addition. According to this property, the sum of three or more numbers does not change when their grouping is changed. Let's see an example. Here we have grouped 5 and 2 together through this bracket, and on this side we have grouped 2 and 3. Okay, now let's see the answer. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 plus 3. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Now 7 plus 3 is equals to 10 and 5 plus 5 is 10. Now as you can see here, there is no change in the answer. the answers on both the sides is same. It means ग्रुपिंग चेंज करने पर भी एडिशन में आंसर हमें सेम मिलता है. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 0. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस प्रॉपर्टी, when we add 0 to any number or any number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. Let's see through an example. 7 plus 0 is equals to 7, or 0 plus 7 is equals to 7. It means जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 से ऐड करते हैं या 0 को हम किसी नंबर से ऐड करते हैं तो हमें आंसर वही नंबर मिलता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 1. According to this property, the sum of any number and 1 is always the successor of the number. It means when we add any number with 1, जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 1 के साथ ऐड करते हैं तो हमें उस नंबर का सक्सेसर एज एन आंसर मिलता है. Let's see through an example. Suppose if we add 21 with 1, we get 22. And we know that this 22 is a successor of 21. Okay, let's see another example. 813 plus 1 is equals to 814. And this 814 is the successor of 813. Now let's revise these properties through this exercise. Fill in the blanks. First question is 28,356 plus 53,291 is equals to 53,291 plus dash. So children, this is the question of commutative property in which we can change the order of addends and there is no change in the answer. So according to that property, which number will come here? As we have written this second number at the first position, so this first number will come at the second position. So the answer is 28,356. Now the next question is 8,35,286 plus dash is equals to 8,35,286. So which number should be added to this number so that we will get the same number? This is property of 0. Okay. In that property we have learned that when we add any number with 0 we will get the same number. So in this also we have to add 0 with the given number to get the same number. Estimating the sum. Estimate the sum by rounding off the numbers to the nearest thousand. Okay, here you have given two numbers. You have to estimate their sum. Okay, how we will estimate? Let's see. Round off 4,740 to the nearest thousand. First, we will round off this 4,740 to its nearest thousand. So we know that this 4,740 lies between 4,000 and 5,000. Now we will see the digit at hundreds place. Here 7 is at hundreds place. And according to the rule, this 7 is greater than 5. It means we will round up this number. So 4,740 is rounded off as 5,000. Round off 2,217 to the nearest thousand. So we know that this 2217 lies between 2000 and 3000. Now see the digit at hundreds place. The digit at hundreds place is 2, and we know that 2 is less than 5. So we will round down this number. 2217 is rounded off as 2000. So we have rounded off 4740 to 5000 and 2217 to 2000. Now find out their sum. So 4740 plus 2217 is equals to 6957, and 5000 plus 2000 is equals to 7000. So here the actual sum is 6957 and estimated sum is 7000. Children, I hope you understood the chapter. Now you have to write this chapter in your maths copy and solve all the questions given in your book. Thank you.